Question 7. Factorize each expression completely. First one is x squared minus 7x plus 12. This is a quadratic form expression. First we multiply the coefficients of x squared, which is 1, with the constant, which is 12. And we get 1 times 12 is 12. Then we write down all the factors of 12, which are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, negative 1 and negative 12, negative 2 and negative 6, negative 3 and negative 4. Then we need to find two numbers that add to give the coefficients of x, which is negative 7. In this case, the numbers are negative 3 and negative 4. Negative 3 and negative 4, minus 3 minus 4 will be minus 7. So we rewrite the equation and replace this term, negative 7x, with minus 3x minus 4x. So we rewrite the expression. X squared minus 7x plus 12 is equal to x squared minus 3x minus 4x plus 12. Group them into two pairs, this pair and this pair. Factor out the greatest common factor from each pair separately. From the first pair, we factor out x, so we'll get x times x minus 3. And from the second pair, we factor out minus 4, and we will get minus 4 times x minus 3. Notice that both pairs have a common factor of x minus 3. We factor out x minus 3, this common binomial factor, and we get x minus 3 times x minus 4. We have successfully factorized the quadratic expression of x squared minus 7x plus 12 into the product of two binomial factors of x minus 3 and x minus 4. And part 2 is 6x squared minus x minus 1. It is similar to the part 1. So it is another exercise for you. First, we multiply the coefficients of x squared with the constant number. So 6 times minus 1 is equal to negative 6. And we write down all factors of negative 6, which are 1 and negative 6, negative 1 and 6, 2 and negative 3, negative 2 and 3. We need to find a pair that when we add the members together, we get the coefficients of x. Coefficients of x is minus 1. And positive 2 and negative 3 are the pair with these characteristics. Positive 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So we can rewrite minus x as minus 3x plus 2x. I write down the expression. So 6x squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 6x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 1. In these two terms, I factor out 3x and I'll get 3x times 2x minus 1. And in the next two terms, I factor 1. So it will be 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 is the common, so I can factor out this one as well. So it will be 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 1. And finally, we get the final answer. So 6x squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 2x minus 1 times 3x plus 1. Question 7, part 3. Factorize each expression completely. 16x squared minus 25. I rewrite the expression, and instead of 16x2, I write down 4x to the power of 2. And instead of 25, I write down 5 to the power of 2. From the difference of squares identity, we have a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So 4x squared minus 5 squared is equal to 4x plus 5 times 4x minus 5. So the third part is as simple as that. 16x squared minus 25 is equal to 4x plus 5 times 4x minus 5. Question 7, part 4. 8x cubed minus 27. For simplifying this expression, we use difference of cubes identity, which states a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. I have another video that proves this identity. You can find that from my channel. So we apply this on our expression. First, I write down 8x cubed as 2x to the power of 3, and I write down 27 as 3 to the power of 3. We know that 2 to the power of 3 is 8, and x to the power of 3 will be x cubed. And 3 to the power of 3 is 27. So we apply this identity into this. So we will get 2x minus 3 times 2x squared, which will be 4x squared, plus ab plus 2x times 3, which will be 6x, and plus b squared, which is 3 squared, which will be 9. So part 4 is solved as well, and 8x cubed minus 27 is equal to 2x minus 3 times 4x squared plus 6x plus 9.